You can start your order by using the link at the top of the page and choosing from a collection. Or by scrolling down to the Go to Build a Set button, which will take you to all the products under the Build a Set section. You can select the drop-down menu to choose by color, or you can simply scroll through all the products. Make sure you have your nail size recorded either on the chart that comes with the pre-made sizing kit, or simply write them on a piece of paper. I measured mine for the short stiletto set. For my set, I'm going to choose the blue gel polish. Make sure you have selected the right style that you want. Also, make sure you choose your size correctly. My thumb is a size 1, so I will make sure to put in 2 size 1 nails, one for each hand. Continue to add 2 nails of each size that you need. Making sure your cart has 10 nails at the end for a full set. If you would like to make accent nails for your set, there are 2 ways to do this. First, I want to delete the 2 nails that I want to switch for accent nails. I am going to add 2 accent nails to my set. I will do my 2 ring fingers, which are size 5. I'm going to go back to the Build a Set section, but this time I am going to use the drop-down menu because I want sparkle polish for my accent nails. I am going to choose a blue sparkle polish. Again, I have put 2 size 5 nails in the cart, making sure they are the same style as the rest of my set. I will make sure there are 10 nails in my cart. There is also a second way to add accent nails. Once again, I have removed 2 nails to replace with accent nails. I am going to go to the accent nail section at the top and click on it so I can view all the choices. Making sure I add 2 of the flower nails to my cart in size 5 and that my total is 10. If you need to add any notes, you can do so here. For example, if I wanted the base of the flower accent nail to be white, I would write that here. And that's it. Happy creating!